Me say, if you never spin the roll, man, I never go with you. Me say, no man, you couldn't catch man. You see if you ever go in back in front way. Me hard tell that whole no God show me tonight.
We gonna teach you. You couldn't catch me.
No man,
you gonna teach me good.
Me I know that. Me say me nearly catch you. When I catch you, you have to get you.
You can't catch me.
I'm not telling you. When I get a boy a box, you don't box. What me say? If you ever go in the front way, man. I strangle you in the house tonight.
How long you did?
No,
How long you did?
Well, 4 years now, man. Me say, if it look like you all around you know, granny. Me say, I can't catch nobody from one year.
I don't never did do what?
No, me seriously can't.
You can't catch what me link you do.
No, I catch you, man. When I know you, I go figure.
You can't catch me.
When you figure, girl, I got.
Bless the name of the blood of the Lord.
No, man, I catch you, man. No, you can't. Bombard! Bombard! Big batty money!
Amina!
Big batty money! You want Supreme? No boy, I'm public. A long time I was Bombard, no big star this! No big star this! No, you say red light, pepper light, yellow light, no. Fambo! Bombard! No boy! No, a long time I was in the Flambo. Flambo, sing a song for me, Flambo. Red light, pepper, Flambo. Flambo, you move like you want to hype everybody else, Flambo. Red light, pepper light, no. Little baby, man. Cameraman, move, cameraman, move, cameraman, move, the junker, move. You can't sew it, you're broke. You're broke, cameraman. I want the cameraman, move. Me say, signal the plane, me say, signal the plane. Come off of this. Signal your dirty junker. Come off of this. Me say, signal the plane. Alright, a couple more minutes. From man, me there, so I want to finish some tired of them white people and them people and the right people. I can't join this, I'm not join when my shift are done right now. Watch. Make him turn down there now. Leave it alone. You tell him no gun. You tell him no go so far now, what a fat boy. Fat boy. Me tell you not go so far now, I want to you fat bitch. Lie down, man. Lie down. Bring Thomas. Lie down. Me tell you not go so far. You know you can't see me get up and go. My shift don't know enough, father. Simon. Sure. You can't wait. When you don't come my people there sitting there. Stop going in water, you know you can't swim. Oh, you're not going to hear up your father. You see your father, Papa. Suck your man. Are you real father? I'm going to say that. Are you real father? I'm going to say that. Why about your father? Man, you don't like that. You don't like pussy. Man, fuck you. You're my father. My father. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. You don't know? We're there. Just check in our nice hotel. Get wet towel, you know? Towel wet, wipe up your face, drink champagne. If you're at home, not them time up on Independence Day, you fall off. You have to do a hotel like this. Look, take a look. Take a look. This is the life you live on Independence Day.
I agree with that.
Not do that. Me cap but not so much. Me not do so much capping, but you have to know how much capping for do.
Spend that shit, mix, spend that shit, turn it up. Listen to me go.
One thing me know, if me get rich, me sell out. Yeah man, if me get rich right here man, Me bite here and me feed me. Me burn the bridge. Everything. I be there look hotel and I tell them me go me yard. And right now me hate me yard. You fuck me. No want see me yard, brother. No want see me little dirty yard. The yard crying too. Jesus Christ, Father.
Go for Europe.
Go for Europe,
Go for Europe,
Go for Europe, man. Tell him to go over.
Go for Europe, man. Me no want to go back to country. Oh, yeah, sweet.
Sweet.
It's over. Sweet deal. With all the white salt them in our pool. Looking at
Sharon.
No man, Dexter look good. God sit down for him. But say if you did ever look so, Crania, Dexter. Oh wow, man. No man, Dexter have abs. You have abs. Dexter. Oh wow.
Hey, me no like mix up, you know what me have this to tell you. Stacy for Liverpool Road from we. Yes, our soldier man come in and catch her last night with Glenn from up the road. Glenn was there with him sitting there. Marcia. One piece of sitting upon the lane last night. One piece of sitting, me say, the whole night they hurt, they fight. Me don't know where to take up sit there for. Remember see a bad girl for a long time, you know, man. A be a bunda. Shaggy, you know. Me say one lane mash up. Mash right up. We ratted.
boot. A kakaboot. Guava. Aufa boot. A kakaboot. Kaka. A kakaboot. Yeah, man, a kakaboot.
I give this in drive.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, come on.
You know, let me out me and say, oh, drive there. No long me look at in drive.
Yeah, man, I'm here.
Alright, mad.
Me can't play some song.
Yeah, man, I'm telling man, everything cool, man. I'm telling man, everything cool.
You are letting go, me have plans for you.
Red light, pepper light, yellow light, go. Red, them pepper spray, this man, eye. Them pepper spray.
I'm home in the kitchen.
Red light, pepper light, yellow light, go. Them pepper spray, this man, eye. Them pepper spray, this. Red light, pepper light, yellow light, go. Red light, them pepper spray, this man, eye. Them pepper spray, this man. Watch out, alright, watch out. So, oh, you have 2009.
Yeah.
2006.
Yeah.
So, now 2010, then you
Which
forget.
the brother? Listen.
2010.
Brother, 2000. Then you have 2001.
So, where's zero?
Brother, what you mean? Why is zero?
2010, father. Alright, no, alright.
Listen
So,
to
when you
it.
call, alright. So, when you look on your phone, you know, see 10 and there you see 1.
Yes, so you say.
2010, 2001, 2002,
No,
2003.
alright, no, alright. Wait, no. When you reach 20, what you say? 20-0, Biggie, that's
2020. No, that different,
Bro,
bro.
we are count, you said 19. What come after that?
Brother, it's
Biggie, that's
brother. I would you tell me say guava man. Yo, 2000 thing start from. After 1999, 2000, 2001, 2006. You know nonsense, man.
You
top argue with you.
Brother, you
me top argue.
You immediate boy.
Top argue with
You cut school short here.
Me top argue. No.
Hello, thank you for calling 911. What's your emergency? No, we don't sell pizza here. This is the 911 call. This is where you call for emergency. Yeah. Miss, are you hearing me? We do not sell pizza. No, this is not. This wrong number. Then people don't understand me say wrong number. Hello, thank you for calling 911. What's your emergency? Miss, are you listening to me? You know that is illegal for you to be calling the 911 number for foolish. You can be arrested on. What do you mean the pizza is aggressive? Pizza cannot be aggressive, miss. The pizza have a gun. No, that sound like a makeup store. Like you're just trying to get attention. What do you mean? Pizza no boss gun. The pizza hit you? Miss. We're gonna disconnect, okay? No, sir. Hello, thank you for calling 911. What's your email? Miss, are you again? What you mean you're chopping at you're inside the closet? You can't come out of the closet at 2026 now. We no business if you're a lesbian. Nobody no business if you're a fish. Somebody's banging at the door. That's the